Hi, I'm Lorna from RariablyWeird.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to double lace your shoes with two different coloured shoelaces. Start by sticking a pair of socks or two underneath the shoe tongue. This will make your pattern come out lovely and evenly, as it will be a little bit of resistance under there. Then take your two shoelaces, the colours of your choice. I'm going to do white and yellow because I think it looks cool with the black. Take the two ends together here and tie them in a little knot. Pull it quite tight and make sure it sits right underneath the lace ends. Then take one of the laces, depending on which colour you would like to show on this side. I like the yellow on this side, as you can see. Take it down into this lace hole here and just pull it all the way through until that little knot we created earlier appears, and then you just want to go ahead and tuck that out of sight. Then we're going to pop the white lace out of the way here. Take the yellow lace, bring it across the shoe tongue and down into the bottom eyelet on the left hand side here to create a little bar effect, and this will start our design in a really nice neat way, as you can see here. Then we want to grab the white lace as well, and we're going to cross them over with the white lace on top. And we're always going to be putting this white lace on top of the yellow one here throughout the whole design, so remember to do this. Now they're crossed, we're just simply going to loop them, nice and easy, to create our first little double lace there. Then we're going to take the yellow, we're going to feed it down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on the left hand side, and we're going to feed it down into it from above, just like that there. Pop that little guy out of the way. Then we're going to grab the white one and do the exact same with the second eyelet up from the bottom on the right hand side, just like this. Now take your time with this, there's absolutely no rush. Pause the video as much as you like. Make sure you get everything looking good. And we've done our first bit of the pattern. Now we're going to repeat this pattern all the way up the shoe tongue. Just do it with me. Again, put the yellow lace under the white lace. Make sure the white one's on top there. And then we're going to cross them over again to create another loop. Take the yellow lace and feed it down into the next eyelet up here from above. Get rid of any little creases because we want it to look real crisp and nice all the way through. And we're going to take the white lace, do the same thing on this side. Now you may be getting the hang of the pattern at this point, just make sure to go slowly and keep pausing. And make sure to watch all the way to the end so you know what to do with the bow. Now we're going to do it again. Yellow lace on the bottom, white lace on the top. Cross them round. Feed into the next eyelet up. Making sure there's no creases. Can be a bit fiddly, but it's worth getting it right so it looks really fresh. Take the white lace and do the same on the other side. And you might want to pause the video here and just continue the pattern all the way up the shoe tongue and then play again, and I'll show you what to do with the bow. Now you should have reached the top eyelets on your pair of shoes or sneakers or boots or whatever you're doing this on, and you're probably wondering, how do we do the bow in a way that looks crisp and finishes off nicely? So what I like to do is just tie a lace bow as normal. Now some people like the look of the bow left out, but you'll see you have these really long lace ends and you might not be sure what to do with them. If you like the look of the bow out, you can just go ahead and tuck the lace ends down inside the shoe, out of sight. Soft laces don't tend to bother my feet, so I find this works great. And that looks pretty cool, but if you're like me and you like it to look a little bit crisper like this one here, you can go ahead and just tuck the lace behind the shoe tongue out of sight, and that should just sit on top of your foot and shouldn't be a problem. If you're worried about how that bow feels, you can use lace anchors which sit at the flush top with your eyelet there and keep your laces in place. But if not, go ahead and rock the bow and it works just fine.